So first thing first, you need to sign in on your own YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch NBC4 without having YouTube TV base plan first. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. And here you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it. And as you can see, you have to pay for 16 bucks per month, and you can get YouTube TV base plan to your own membership. So just click on next, and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you do the purchase, on the homepage of YouTube TV, again you want to go to your top right of your screen, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for NBC, not NBC4. Right here on NBC network, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down. And then on the live session, you can just see the NBC live session. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch NBC4 on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.